Hey guys, so today I'm actually going to attempt to vlog this entire vlog using my brand new camera. So I guess I'm using this as like my tester just to really get used to holding it, the viewfinder, knowing where to look, not at myself, but at you. If it seems a little shaky and the cuts are a little weird, the other thing is with filming the iPhone, if I wanted to kind of like turn the view, I would have to stop recording and flip the camera around. Whereas with this guy, I can actually just do that, boom, just like that, turn it completely off of me, and I can basically be behind the camera. There is Loxie. She's kind of sad or tired. I don't really know which it is. Yeah, and then I have to like turn it back around, flip the viewfinder back up, figure out all the lighting like this when I transition into like a darker part of the house. Yeah, so all of these things, getting used to this camera, but let me show you my outfit before we head out the door. I am going to Dollar Tree. Again, I'm gonna attempt to vlog it on this actual camera. And yeah, so just let me show you my whole outfit first. Yeah, so I'd have to look in the viewfinder. I hope it's like, that's the other thing. It keeps going in and out of focus. So I don't know why that is. But, so this is the, yeah, there it keeps going. This is the sweater from Shein. I absolutely love it. It is a great buy, one of my favorites from Shein, so I'm super excited. Pairing it with some black skinny jeans, and these are my brand new Cortez classic Nikes that I got from Nordstrom's, and they were 70 bucks. And then I am wearing these little red earrings here to just match the elbow patch. I have my hair kind of curly today, and I have on a full face of makeup. I am filling my oats. Anyway, this is the look today. I think it's really cute. Yeah, so let's go ahead and head off to Dollar Tree and see how well I do with this guy. So, yeah, this doesn't really sit on the dash that well, but that's the other plus, is that it sits obviously better. An iPhone can't sit like this, so. We are going to try my new sunglasses today that I just got. Oh, yes, mama. Yes, mama. Yes, God. Okay, I'm a little extra today. Sorry. Okay, these glasses they're huge. And I don't think of these as winter glasses. Is that weird? I feel like these would just be like glasses that I would wear in the summertime at the beach. For some reason, like I feel that way about these. But all right. It's the only pair that I have in here, so we're rolling with it. I have my list for Dollar Tree, so without further ado, let's jet out of here. And I'm gonna go to a different Dollar Tree, one that I haven't been to in a while, so let's go. Alright, so this Dollar Tree is under some construction, but it's open, so we're here. Let's go ahead and get inside and find some goodies. These are really cute. Like, look at that display of cards. That's insane. absolutely, ooh, socks. How cute are these? That's adorable. Okay, these say gotcha. Oh my god, that's adorable too. Alright, I'm out of Dollar Tree. It was actually really shocking because it was the cleanest Dollar Tree I've ever been in. Sorry for the lighting. But yeah, I got a ton of stuff. So this is going to be like Wednesday and Saturday's haul because I already bought the stuff for Monday's haul. And I have to do some sink repair in the upstairs game room bathroom. I don't know what those kids freaking put in that damn sink besides water and soap, but I have to fix it. And I'm on my way to another Dollar Tree. This is my own notebook, but I'm on my way to another Dollar Tree because I needed to get something for my very first DIY. I need to get some of those wreaths, the ones that are like, what do they call those? With like the sticks, there's like a name for those. So I'm headed off to a Dollar Tree that I know will carry them. Okay, that lady was driving gray. So yeah, I'm headed off to a Dollar Tree that I'm pretty positive has them, and I need to get 2, and then I think I might look at some mesh. I've never really made a mesh wreath. Seems kind of like a headache, but I don't know if I'll buy that or not today. The DIY I'm doing is like 3 different Dollar Tree Valentine's Day wreaths, but I don't think I'm gonna include like a mesh one, so yeah. Anyway, I will vlog when I get to the next Dollar Tree. Alright, this is exactly, what do they call this? Willow wreath. So I need that. It's the evening time now. Roxy is still being sad today. And I'm making dinner in the kitchen. And we're just having some good old Southern type food. Fried chicken and mac and cheese. We haven't had fried chicken and mac and cheese since I think like November. So I don't know. So gonna have that. And that's pretty much it. I don't really have any other plans for vlogging today. But I just wanted to be able to, you know, vlog on here at night as well, so that it's like included in the testing portion of this vlog. I'm gonna stop saying that. So yeah, I don't really have any other plans for tonight other than that. I'm going to eventually get all this makeup off of me, put my hair up, get in my pajamas. Also a tip in case you struggle with like getting your makeup off at night. This has like revolutionized my whole process, but take off your makeup when you're not tired. Do not wait until you are about to go to bed to do your makeup, brush your teeth. And that's the other thing that could help you in case you feel like you also snack too much at night. Like get to a point where maybe like at 8 o'clock, you know, like you brush your teeth and you wash your face and like that's it. You can't have any more snacks because you just brushed your teeth. So anyway, random little tip there. Loxy's in here with me. But yeah, I'm gonna get all of this off and sit down, watch some movies, play Gardenscapes. That's it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this test vlog. I definitely really love the quality from like what I'm seeing. So I hope that you loved the quality, and I won't know about audio until I get to editing. So that's the next step. And hopefully 2019 is going to be a really great year of sharing little bits and pieces of my life with you guys. And today I just didn't have that much going on. So I'm just eagerly, impatiently awaiting for KK and Baby J to put up their vlog. They went to Utah to see Kira and Oscar, so I'll be looking for that notification and probably watch a bunch of other random YouTube videos as well. Ooh, look at that lighting now. It's a little orange. I don't know what happened, so I'm gonna have to figure that, work on that. I really don't know like how to fix that while I'm here. I don't know what YouTubers do. Whenever like the lighting changes, they like do something like right then and there. I don't seem to have that feature. I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah, I have no clue. I wonder what happens if I do this. I have no idea. Anyway, we'll figure all that out. Still, I think it's amazing quality, better than what I've been doing. I hope that you guys have a good night. Thank you for loving my vlogs, and I'll see you soon.